Hello everyone, myself Dr.P.Aruna Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Technology, Dr. lSNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about a midpoint circle algorithm. It plays an important role in the multimedia because already we have drawn different images, text text and sound waves, audio and everything's are there, so we have to maintain some algorithm to give an perfection and quality good and quality. So let us see about how midpoint algorithm works and what are the benefits we are using the midpoint algorithm. Let me see the video. So, the midpoint circle algorithm. What is midpoint? We already know that midpoints means if we have to, if for example, if we have to draw a graph means, so we have to mark the midpoint to get an exact value or quality of the images. We have to improve the quality of images. We have to mark the midpoint. So likewise, we have to make a graph like x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So here the algorithm, midpoint algorithm means an algorithm used for efficient rasterization of circles in computer graphics. So most important thing in the computer graphics is an algorithm, circle algorithm, line algorithm, pseudocode algorithm. There are a lot of algorithm to give an exact value and results. So we are following midpoint algorithm, how it can be used in each and every algorithm to get an exact quality of images. So why it is important? Ensure precision and speed in rendering circles without floating point calculation. So mostly midpoint algorithm will accept only an integer value. We need no need to give one floating point value to draw the exact images. So applications of the this midpoint algorithm usages, it is used for drawing circles, arc and etc. So mostly this is used for drawing a smooth curve in computer graphics and gamings. So basic circle drawing algorithms. There are we are going to see about basics of circle drawing algorithm. There are a lot of challenges in drawing circles. So we because why I'm saying the challenges means it is a not easy process for drawing a line or images or games, pictures. It is not an important one. We have to maintain an exact pixel ratios. Here the word pixel means it is a picture element. Each and every element or object can made up of number of smaller tiny dots, so we have to maintain a pixel accuracy, then only we can get an exact images. So maintaining pixel accuracy should be there. Avoiding jagged edges. Jagged edges means the edges should not be overlap. It should be in a clear cut manner. Then only we can easily identify the images, edges of the images. And computational inefficiency. Solution leverage symmetric and integer arithmetic for accurate and efficient result. It means we have to maintain integer numbers. We should not accept any floating point or double number to draw images or pictures. If we want an accurate images, we have to maintain an integer arithmetical calculation. Next. So behind the algorithm, there are different concepts behind the algorithm. So it exploits 8 ways symmetric of circles. So it gives 8 different ways to draw a circle. So incrementally calculate the closest pixel to the circle's boundary. Let us see some example for drawing an images, globe and all. So we have to make some midpoint, then only we can get an exact edges. So we have to draw a circle boundary for using the for drawing the circles. So advantages uses integer calculations to avoid floating point overhead. So we have to avoid floating point to reduce the overhead and their calculations. This is the simple algorithm. Just I'm going to say how the variables should be declared and what are the different steps we have to follow. Initialization value, that is we have to initialize the value at 0, r. So decision parameter, here we are calculating initial p equal to 1 minus r means it is a radius. So I try to draw p is if it is less than 0 means it's move horizontally. If it is in greater than or equal to 0 means we have to move dynamically, that is diagonally. Crassly we have to draw the circle. Symmetric reflect point across octet to complete the circle. Here the octet, it consists of 8 values to complete the circle. Next, symmetric in action means one calculation generate point for all the 8 octets. There are 8 combinations of value to move from one circle point to another one. So it shows a circle divided into 8 octet with a label picture. We have to label the picture clearly, left, right, top, bottom. Like that we have to clearly mark the pictures. So this is the algorithm for calculating the circle, midpoint and its importance. Next, uh, so visualization, step-by-step drawing, show incremental addition of point to form a circle. Here animation and diagram can be included to give the exact visualization of the particular images. It gives them some actions also. So applications of these midpoint algorithm, we can easily draw 2D graphics rendering, gaming development. It is used for developing games. Basic algorithms can be used by using these midpoint algorithm. We can exactly draw ellipse or oval shape. Some other shapes we can draw by using these circles also. So from this, I conclude the importance of midpoint algorithm and its usage. What are the different pseudocodes required, and what are the different steps required? How the midpoint can be calculated? What are the different circles and their ellipse, circle-like ellipse structures we can use? Then all. So I will conclude this video about the midpoint circle algorithm. Thank you.